Urban Gardening 2025: How to Grow Food in Small Spaces Without Soil. As food prices continue to rise and climate concerns push us towards sustainable living, urban gardening has become one of the most vital lifestyle trends of 2025. In particular, soil-free systems like hydroponics and vertical gardens are helping city dwellers turn balconies, walls, and even windowsills into abundant food sources. Whether you live in a studio apartment or a shared urban complex, these approaches require minimal maintenance, little space, and no direct access to land. The shift to compact gardening aligns with growing movements in environmental conservation, food independence, and personal wellness. Hydroponic gardening, once a fringe idea, has now become mainstream. This method grows plants using mineral-rich water instead of soil, making it ideal for apartments and indoor spaces. Starter kits are now available at most home improvement stores, and even grocery chains offer plug-and-play systems. For beginners, leafy greens such as lettuce, kale, and basil are perfect. They grow quickly and don't require elaborate lighting or climate control. All you need is a grow light, nutrient solution, and a corner with stable temperature. Hydroponics is also largely pest-resistant, meaning you can grow food without chemical pesticides or organic soil amendments. This makes it an ideal option for health-conscious individuals and those seeking chemical-free produce. Vertical gardens offer another solution for maximizing food output in a small footprint. These systems use tiered shelving, hanging containers, or wall-mounted pockets to grow multiple layers of plants. You can design them with recycled materials like wooden pallets or purchase pre-made setups online. In 2025, the integration of vertical gardening into smart home systems is a growing trend, allowing users to monitor watering cycles, nutrient levels, and humidity through mobile apps. Vertical systems are perfect for growing herbs, strawberries, cherry tomatoes, and even dwarf varieties of cucumbers or beans. This setup not only yields a variety of crops, but also turns bland urban walls into lush, productive living art. Companion planting in containers has also gained traction as more people seek low-maintenance but high-yield gardening strategies. The idea is simple: certain plants support each other's growth and deter pests when grown together. For example, planting basil with tomatoes improves flavor and deters pests. Marigolds repel aphids and can be potted alongside almost any vegetable. In confined spaces, these combinations must be carefully selected based on root depth, light requirements, and growth habits. Apps and seed catalogs now often include companion planting guides specifically for pots and boxes, helping urban growers maximize their harvest while minimizing effort. This method saves space, reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, and encourages a balanced mini ecosystem. Finally, seedling swapping and neighborhood plant exchanges are creating hyper-local food communities. As people experiment with new varieties adapted to balconies or indoor climates, surplus seedlings and cuttings are often shared through community bulletin boards, local apps, or seed libraries. In 2025, the rise of micro-gardening collectives is reshaping how urban communities interact. These networks promote biodiversity, share tips and failures, and reduce reliance on store-bought produce. Swapping also keeps costs low and encourages experimentation with heirloom and exotic plant types. This human connection around food production fosters sustainability, resilience, and creativity, all while transforming concrete jungles into edible ecosystems.